This is Rachel Smith with First Protective, and it is Life Insurance Awareness Month. We're going to be sending you information about life insurance throughout the month of September. And today I want to take a couple of minutes and talk to you about steps for a successful life insurance sale. And you may think this is pretty basic, but what we have come to realize, if you'll do these 3 steps, it will help you be a lot more successful in closing life insurance sales. So the first thing I want you to think about is completing a needs analysis. And according to LIMRA, if you will do a needs analysis with your clients, you will not only close more cases, but you will sell higher amounts in death benefit. I want to make sure that you know that we have several for you to choose from if you do not have your own. This one, I think it looks a little bit more professional, and it talks about the lump sum amount that your clients need. This is a new piece that we use that talks about the lump sum that your clients will need at death, and also a possible income replacement. Some of these pieces you can add your logo to it, so if you would like to download it, we can add that for you. So once you've decided exactly how much life insurance your client needs, the next step is considering their life stage. Considering how old they are may help determine what type of product they need. So this is something I wanted to show you. We've done something for the first time. We've created a poster. We want you to hang this up in your office to help you to get people to ask you about life insurance, or maybe put it on your desk. And you can use this to show them from clients 20 to 80 for them to consider different things and to also think about what type of life insurance they need. So for an example, a person in their 50s probably needs permanent insurance or maybe some blend, whereas someone in their 20s that's paying off college debt probably needs term insurance. So if you haven't received this in the mail, contact us and we'll send it to you. The last thing, and I think probably the most overlooked, is pre-qualification questions. This is life insurance underwriting. This is what we dread. And so we created something, if you do not have your own, the first thing is our pre-qualification questionnaire. And this gives you 12 questions that you need to ask that will help you determine if you need to talk to one of our underwriters about family history, driving records, all types of questions. Once you determine that if they have something wrong with them, say they're a diabetic, we've created a new piece called the First Protective Field Underwriting Guide. And the major health conditions are in this. So for instance, I mentioned diabetic. I'm going to go ahead and go to the diabetes section. It's going to tell me some questions that I need to ask the client. It's actually going to tell me if they are a possible standard rating or decline. So an example would be if their A1C is under a 7, they may get standard rates. If the A1C is over 9, they are probably a decline. So once you've determined this, the last thing you need to do is contact us, First Protective. I hope you know who your person is. If you don't, here's our 800 number. So to recap this, when you're talking to your clients, make sure you're filling out a needs analysis. If you don't have one, we'll be happy to send it to you. Consider what life stage they're in. We hope you hang our poster on your wall. And the last thing is, are you using our new field underwriting guide for underwriting questions? That's all I have for this week. If you'd like these pieces, please email bthomas@firstprotective.com. We'll be happy to send those to you and add your logo. Talk to you soon.